TV fun and learning for kids. A for almond cookie. B for baklava. C for cheesecake. D for Danish pastry. E for egg tart. F for fudge. G for gingerbread. H for halwa. I for ice pops. J for jalebi. K for kheer. L for lemon pie. M for macaron. N for Nanaimo bar. O for orange cake. P for pancake. Q for quindim. R for rice pudding. S for shortcakes. T for tiramisu. U for ube cake. V for velvet cake. W for whoopie pie. X for xylocart candy. Y for yogurt cake.